An isosceles triangle has two equal sides called legs and two equal base angles. One of the ways to construct it is when you're given the length of the legs and the base. So first step is to take your straight edge and you're just going to draw a segment. Just make it pretty long. You'll see in the next step why we're doing this. Next, get the measurement for the base, which it says is CD. So take your compass, you're going to put one end at the end of the segment, and then open it up so that the hole is at the other end. That's the length of the base. So we're just going to basically copy this segment. So you take that distance, okay, don't move the setting at all. Take that distance, and we're just going to copy it. So you put the end of this compass where the clear piece is at the end of this segment, and then where the hole is, just mark that distance. So from here, from the end of the compass to where I just put the arc, that is the length of CD. So that's the base of the triangle. So you can see how I drew that original segment pretty long, but it doesn't matter. You just want to make sure you have that distance. Next step is to construct the legs. So now open your compass so that you have the distance from the end of A to B, because it says that's what the legs are. So one end at A, and then the hole goes at B. Okay, now we're going to keep this setting for the rest of the construction, so make sure you keep it. Okay, so now we know that this distance right here is the base of our triangle. So now what we're going to do is, keeping that same setting, you're going to place the end of the compass, like where the clear piece is, at the end of the segment. Okay, then what you're going to do is just draw an arc. That was the distance from A to B. Keeping the same setting, flip the compass around. Hold on here, I have to get adjusted. Okay, so I have the same setting. I still have AB, right? Okay, now I'm going to place the end of the compass, the clear piece, right here where the arc and that line intersect. So basically I'm placing it at one end of the base and then the other end of the base. And draw an arc again, and they should intersect. And the final step is to connect your, this top point here, hold on a second. Right here, this top point where the arcs intersect, that's going to be the vertex angle. So use your straight edge and connect, I got to make sure I like blue. Okay, so connect from the vertex at the top here to the end of the segment. I'm going to connect this base as well, and then all the way up to that top vertex angle. So here's your isosceles triangle. The legs are the length of AB, and then the base is CD. Two equal legs.